everybody, it's Patty with Casino Lady Slots, and I am up here at Wildwood Casino in Cripple Creek, Colorado, and I am going to try some Lightning Cash Moon Race. Right, I'll go ahead and show you the progressives on this machine. The grand is at $6,119. And that major is at $949.81. So let's do some major chasing. All right, I've got some free play in here. I'm gonna start with $150. I'm gonna do a 10-cent bet. Okay. $2.50. So on this, we are looking for 3 of these moon patches in the middle, 6 of these moons. This is the wild thing. Yes, we got it. All right. Here we go. They're all pretty small, but we want that major. I'll show you the jackpots again, the progressives. All right, here we go. Let's fill it up. Give me one. Drop that major. Oh. It's one. Come on, give me one. There we go. Nice job. Do it again. Do it again. One more. Oh no. Last chance. Smack it down. One. Oh. A little bonus, $25, but it's a start. A little bit there. Come on, one more. Oh, we got it. We got the free spin bonus. All right, there we go. Now we need bonus in the bonus. Let's do this. 3 more, 1 more. Oh my gosh, 5 all the way. Re-trigger. Oh, spin number 3. A little bit there. Come on, we need bonus in the bonus. Oh, that was a blocker. That would have been so nice. Come on, do it. 2 more. Yes, we got it. All right, good. Now let's land that major. I'll show you. The progressives again. We are going after that $951 major. Land it. Come on. Oh, there's one. Right here, that major. Oh, that's nice. $50. Right here, land the major. Come on, major. Saw the mini go by. Last chance. Hit it. Oh, good. Staying alive. Right here. Drop that major. All right, still in it. Drop that major. Oh, and the music gets all crazy dramatic. Give me that major. Do it. Oh. Last chance. Oh, couldn't get it. That's all right. It was a nice bonus. And we're still in the free spin bonus. $102.50. I don't remember how many free spins. Oh, we have 4 more spins left. 4 more spins. So let's get another bonus in the bonus. Here we go. Do it again, right away. Oh. Retrigger, retrigger, retrigger. Oh. 2 more chances. Come on, give me 1 more. 2 more chances. Last chance. Retrigger? Oh no. All right. It's a $119.70 bonus. Okay, I got a free spin bonus on Moonrace Lightning Cash. 1 cent denomination, 250 bet. See what we can do here. Let's see if we can get bonus in the bonus. All right, we get 10 spins. Eight more chances. We're looking for that bonus in the bonus. We're looking for that major to drop. Come on, Moonrace, come on. They're at about $10 right now. 7 more spins. Come on, do it. Drop it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Just not wanting me to get that bonus in the bonus. 1 more chance. Okay, $12.65 bonus. Okay, free spin bonus on Lightning Cash Moonrace. So 10 cent denomination, 250 bet. See if we can get that bonus in the bonus and make this a good one. Very good one. Retrigger, retrigger. Oh. 8 more spins. Oh, line them up. 3 more. Let's do it. Oh, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. A lot of $5 hits there. Oh, where are those moons? Oh, that's good. A couple $2.50 hits there. We got 2 more chances to get that bonus in the bonus. So we have full screen of wilds. Last chance. $33.10. I'll come back if I hit it. Another free spin bonus on Moon Race, 10-cent denomination, $2.50 bet. So we're gonna get 10 free games, and we want bonus in the bonus or a full screen of wilds. Come on, do it right away. Oh, that was nice. All the way across there. Skid. Oh, look at all those wasted wilds. I need 6 of these. 2, give me 6. Come on. 2 more. Oh, 4 more spins. Goodness gracious. Getting stingy here. Very stingy. That was a $20 bonus. 10-cent denomination. Oh, look at that. First spin bonus. It's time. Here we go. So let's start our feature. And we want to see those moons. We need 6 of them. And we need that major to be one of them. All right, come on. Oh, that's decent. We got 8 more. We need a nice little bonus on this thing. Come on, do it. One time. We're at a $50 bonus. We've got 7 more spins. I want to see that major drop. Drop that major. Oh, 5. My goodness. 3 more. Drop that major. We got 4 more chances to get the bonus in the bonus. Do it. Do a retrigger. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, last chance. All right, that wasn't a very bad bonus though. $111.60 starting out on that bonus.